The topic that we are going to study today is objectives. Now, when you talk about objectives, objective means goals. Now, when you talk about goals, goals of business. Now, when you talk about goals of business are of two types. Okay, so the goals of business are of two types. The first goal is economic goal, and the second goal is social goal. Okay, goals of business are of two types. The first one is economic goal and the second one is social goal. Now when you talk about economic goal, the economic goal is related to money. Okay, economic goal, economic, over here economic means it is related to money. So economic goal of business is related to money aspect. Okay, and the second one is social. Social goal is related to the society, social. So it is social goal of business is related to the society. Now economic objective. Now when you talk about economic objective, that means it is related to money. Okay, first one, profit is the first economic objective. Is it related to money? Yes, it is related to money. So the first one is profit and it is related to money. Okay, let's see what profit is all about. Now when you talk about profit, what is profit? For example, the same concept we have already studied. You bought a product at rupees 100. You sold the product at rupees 110. The profit of the scenario is rupees 10. Now when you talk about this 10 rupees, focus on this aspect. Now when you talk about 10 rupees, this is called as profit. And any business is established to earn profit and it is related to money. Hence it is called as economic objective. Maximization of wealth. Okay, the second one is maximization of wealth. Now when you talk about wealth, always remember one thing. For example, a businessman is having 1 crore rupees in total. Now what will that businessman try? He will try to reduce the amount or increase the amount. But obvious, he will try to increase the amount. He will try to maximize the wealth. So a businessman will want that his 1 crore shall turn into 2 crore. And this is called as what? Maximization of wealth. Whenever you want your money and its related aspect to increase, it is called as maximization of wealth or increase in wealth. Okay, and the last one is others. Now others is not important, but you have to understand what are the other economic objective related to money. Growth of company, you want your company to grow, right? If you are having one factory, you will want that you will have 2 factories. If you are having 2 factories, you will want that you have 4 factories, and this goes on and on. You want to grow your company using modern technology. Now what do you understand by the term modern technology? Modern technology generally means that you want to use high-end sophisticated machineries, good products, good technology in your organization. So this was all about economic objective. In economic objective, the first one is a company wants to earn profit. The second one is a company wants to maximize its wealth. That means they want to increase their wealth. Okay, and the third one is others, where it wants to grow the company or use modern technology. Second one, social. Now what do you understand by the term social? A, objective of social responsibility. Now when you talk about objective of social responsibility, responsibility towards the society. Responsibility towards the society. Now what do you understand by this? Responsibility towards the society. Now social, we have already discussed this. It means this goal is regarding society. Okay, now objective of social responsibility means the responsibility of the company towards the society. Over here we are trying to talk about what are the different responsibilities of a company towards the society? Okay, anything, for example, starting up of schools for the society, starting up of colleges for the society, giving charity to the society, right? Starting up of hospitals. These all are social responsibility. That means you have to do something for the society. And what are you going to do? You're going to start up a school, you're going to start up a college, you are going to give what do you call it as, give charity to the society, you are going to start hospitals for the society. These all are social responsibilities. B, employment opportunity. What do you understand by the term employment opportunity? Employment opportunity means to give jobs. Employment opportunity means what? To give jobs. Now, a company has to create jobs and give jobs to the people in the society. Is it important or not? Yes, there are many people in the society who do not have good paying jobs. So it is responsibility of a business to give jobs to them and give them good salary, right? Okay, next one is to provide good quality goods and services. But obvious, a business will produce either goods or services, and a business will produce goods and services for whom? People, right? People live where? In the society, and these goods and services should be of good quality. Okay, now D, adopt fair trade practices. That means trade means business should be fair. Okay, if a businessman is doing business, the business should be fair. The first one is false advertisement. The first one is false advertisement. Now let me tell you one thing. I'll tell you a quick story. Recently I read on a blog that there was a child, a little child of 13 years. Now he saw the advertisement of Red Bull. Okay, Red Bull is an energy drink. On the TV he saw the advertisement of Red Bull, and in Red Bull it was given that it gives you wings. The ad of Red Bull is Red Bull, it gives you wings. Now that 13-year-old child was so small and he started believing it. Okay, and he bought a Red Bull, drank the Red Bull, and jumped from the first floor, and he was critically injured. Why was he injured? Because of what? Because of miscommunication or false advertisement. So these advertisements are manipulating, and sometimes people have to suffer from it. So it is important for the company to give better advertisement. And the last one is others. So this was all about objectives or goals of a business. A business goals. The first goal is economic goal. Economic goal is to earn profit. The second goal is to increase the wealth. After that, it has some goal towards the society, which are called as social objectives. The first one is objective of social responsibility. That means it has to give charity and all that causes. The second one is to give jobs and to give them good salary. The third one is to give good quality goods and services. And the last one is to adopt fair trade practices. That means the business should be fair. It should not cheat the society.